Hello viewer, how to fix Telegram stuck on update problem and also how to fix Telegram message not receiving problem. So please follow the step. Open your phone setting, scroll down and find out apps, go to apps, tap on manage apps. Now search Telegram, go to Telegram and tap on storage. Click on clear data and clear Telegram cache data. Now go back and follow the next step. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now from here, please check Telegram update. If your Telegram app is not updated, please update your Telegram app.